Good morning, my dear students. Let us discuss about OCA management subject. OCA management subject is a very important subject in MBA. This is a diagram of OCA management. OCA means volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Contents of OCA management is introduction, volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. The history of OCA management subject is in 90s, that decade many corporate failures are happened. So on study of corporate failures, this OCA management subject is derived. Coming to the introduction of OCA management, OCA is an acronym for volatility and uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. OCA management means is an acronym for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Volatility means instability, uncertainty means risk, complexity means problems, ambiguity means zero knowledge. Management is always concerned with future for its decision making purpose. Management is always concerned with the future for its decision making purpose, but everything happens, management tries to visualize it filling with these four risky conditions. Management always want to study the risky condition. Coming to the OCA management world, we are having the four different risky conditions. Those are volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. But everything management tries to visualize a field with these four risky conditions. If left unmanaged, the art of management becomes nothing less than art of gambling. Any management should not left the analysis or solution for the risky condition. That is called art of gambling. The term OCA management implies a situation of business decision making where management of these four factors becomes vital than need. In OCA management world, these four risky conditions plays a vital role. Volatility. It basically tells about velocity which change happens. Software industry is considered to be more volatile than automobile industry. Here velocity is important factor. Volatility means nothing but unstable. Here the change is unstable. We are unable to catch the change. We are unable to estimate the change. For example, software industry is considerable more volatile than automobile industry. Here we are having the two different industries, software industry and automobile industry. Software industry is more unstable compared to automobile industry. We can estimate the demand of automobile industry, but we are unable to estimate the software industry. For every 1 decade, there will be two recession periods for software industry. In the same manner, derivative market is more volatile than stock market. We can able to analyze and estimate the stock market, but we are unable to estimate the derivative market. Here derivative market is more volatility compared to the stock market. When change is expected to happen, one is referred to its speed, then he is said to be dealing with volatility. Here we can expect the change, but we are unable to catch that change and we are updated to the speed. He is said to dealing with the volatility, that is volatility. Understanding and measuring of volatility, understanding and measuring the volatility. Uncertainty. Uncertainty is nothing but risky condition, lack of perfect information about state of the nature. For example, we know there will be demand. We also have some information that it likes to be more, but we don't know how much it's going to be managed. Course of action depends upon the state of the nature. So attempting to predict a state of the nature means dealing with the uncertain. Here we are not having the proper relevant information. We are having the lack of perfect information. We are facing the troubles in the marketing condition. Lack of perfect information is a risk in the business field. For example, I am the owner of a mobile showroom. I have identified that there is a demand in the market, but I am unable to identify how much demand in the market. So I am unable to identify how much demand in the market. I have identified how much demand in the I have identified that demand is present in the market, but I am unable to identify how much demand in the market. So unable to find the how much demand in the market, I am unable to take a necessary forward step in the market. That is the problem. That is a risky condition in VUCA world. And so attempting to predict the state of nature, meaning dealing with the uncertainty. Here success is depend upon our situation, means we want to analyze the present situation, we want to reach the state and nature of the situation, and we want to take a course of action. That course of action should be matched to the present marketing situation. Then only we can achieve success in the marketing conditions. Complexity is nothing but problems, troubles, threats, multiplicity of several factors involved at a time in attempting developing a mathematical role. Here multiplicity of several problems are happen at a time in attempting a developing a mathematical model. Analysis tries to help managers by providing them with an input model. Here analysts are trying to help the manager by providing them with an input and out model. Here managers need not to be mathematical for this purpose. Here there will be a multiplicity of several problems factors involved at a time in attempting a develop a mathematical model. Here analysts are trying to help the managers by analyzing that information, providing them with an input and out model. Here managers need not to be mathematician for this purpose. Once a business model is developed and found accurate in application, managers provide required input and base their decision making skills on output from the model. Here we want to adopt any business model to our business, then only the business will be going in a good manner. After applicable of this any business model to the business, we will get some amount of information. By we want to study that information, and on basis of that information only we want to take a decision, and we should have a decision making skills also on base of output from the model. But the problem is multiplicity of the problem in the marketing conditions. Here we are having the number of problems. Example: prices, tastes, complementary products, habits of consumers, product life cycle, new inventions around the world. Here prices are always in the fluctuation mode, and tastes are always changes, and complementary products means our competitor companies are entering into the market it is giving the very tough competition towards our company products. And habits of consumers, we are unable to estimate the habits of consumers. Always the consumers are changing their habits. And product life cycle, the product life cycle of our company product is very low span period, and new inventions are entering into the market, and government enactments on essential good tax. Even though all these problems we are having, government is not bothered about these business people problems. It is also varying a taxes on our company products also. The taxes become another burden towards our company products. That is the problem of business situation in VUCA world. Exclusion of any of these factors affects accuracy of model, and inclusion of everything makes the model complex in the development stage and also in application stage as well. Exclusion of any of these factors effects, accuracy of model and inclusion of everything makes that model complex. We want to exclusion of these factors accurately model and inclusion of everything makes the model complex in development stage and also application stages as well as. Ambiguity. Meaning of ambiguity is zero knowledge. Here, lack of clarity on meaning or conceptual understanding in vocabulary. Ambiguity refers to a situation of zero information. Here we are having a zero information about a particular situation. That is the problem. It is also one of the risky condition. When we are facing that type of situation, we want to use the flexible enough method to the suitable manner of that ambiguous event occur. Thus, the causes and who, what, where, how, and why behind the things that are happening are unclear and hard to ascertain. Here, we are unable to identify who are creating the problem, what is the reason behind the problem, where the problem is occurs, how the problem is occurs, why the behind of this problem, what is the reason behind of this problem, and we are unable to collect the information about these questions, and we are trying also, we are not getting any information. That is the hard thing to the ascertain. We are unable to estimate these things and we are unable to get the information about this also. Growing importance of VUCA means the experience of high tech companies in last few decades who fail to navigate the rapid changes is a warning to all business institutions and nations. Previously, I have said that in 1990s, many corporate companies were get in failure in the market situation because there is a many risky conditions. On failure study of corporate field only, with this VUCA management subject is derived. Here, experience of high-tech companies in last few decades who fail to navigate the rapid changes is a warning to all the business institutions and nations. Even those survived also facing these inevitable changes but lack the leadership. Here we want to analyze the all different type of situations in the business world, and here the main problem is lack of proper leadership and there is no flexible management in the organization. Here people are unable to imagining the things which is happening in the future, and people are unable to adapt or update to the trend of the marketing situation, and people are not smart or aware, but because the speed change is simply overwhelming them. Here strategic leaders are needed. Here rapid changes are happening in business world. Here according to marketing situations requires human resource and talent management profession to change the methods of leadership development. Boston Consulting Group studied the VUCA environmental conditions and concluded that the organization want to shift to the business models and it want to adopt the modern leadership skills also, and adopt to firms can adjust the better, faster and more economically than prints. The companies which are adapting the modern trends and modern techniques, it easily adaptable and it easily overcome the all the type of tough situations which are arising in the market. It is become a economically stronger company compared to their peer companies. Examples are Apple company, Google company, Amazon company, 3M company, Target company. And develop the agile leaders means active leaders. We want to develop active leaders in business field. We want to apply VUCA model to the develop leadership models also. Business value of VUCA is understand. We want to understand the VUCA conditions and critical situations which is occurring in the business field also, and consequences of issues and actions. We want to understand the consequences of issues and action, and we want to anticipate the issues that shape the conditions. We want to identify the issue, we want to analyze, and we will get some amount of knowledge. We want to shape that conditions also. We want to take a necessary action to solve that problem. We should not kill the problem, we want to solve the problem. Then immediately business environment or working environment will be a set right, and we want to interrupt and address relevant opportunities. When we are getting in a risky conditions, in that time only we want to interrupt that risky conditions, and we want to address the relevant opportunities in the risky conditions also. Then it will be a chance to overcome that trouble situations also. Prepare for alternative realities and challenges. We want to prepare for alternative realities and challenges also. We want to appreciate the interdependence of variable also. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.